4:24 and I'm gonna get picked up in 30 minutes. The whole goal of this video is to show how much it really costs for me to plan a trip like California. I'm so excited.
Time, baby!
Cliff.
So we're in Great Basin National Park. We just finished Bristlecone Trail. We got to see some trees that were like anywhere from 2,000 to 5,000 years old. So yeah, we drove here all the way from Colorado today, and we're going all the way to Tonopah.
Staring out the window, wonder if you caught my clues. 'Cause I've never been here before. All the other girls, I never let them get this far. I don't wanna let you go. I just wanna hold you close and kiss your lips. Don't wanna
Alright, so we're at Tonopah. This is our Airbnb. So far the costs for the trip are a little bit more than 100 for gas, 90 for this Airbnb, I think 40 for dinner, and that's pretty much it so far. We'll keep a tally of other things and total at the end. We're out here doing Boundary Peak, which is Nevada's highest peak at about 13,100 feet. Sad thing is, John's car couldn't make it up the really crappy road, so we had to add about 2 miles from the trailhead. It just got 4 miles longer.
Coming back at
Dead
you with
man
another
sand.
vlog. Almost at the top of Boundary Peak.
We're at like 12K.
Yep.
I'm feeling a little tired.
And we were just down there 50 minutes ago.
We are at the high point of Nevada. So 6 miles later, and maybe about 4,500 feet of elevation gain. But here's the problem. Right over there is a mountain that's higher than us.
The good news is that's in California, but still. The best part about this hike is that it's free. Glacier Point, 6 a.m. We woke up at 4 a.m. for this.
Shining bright like a diamond. I've been soaring like an angel. I've been soaring like a pilot. Seeing colors in a rainbow. I just want another new ride. I just want another new ride. I've been looking for a new ride. I've been shining like a diamond. I've been floating like an angel.
View 10 out of 10, price 0.
Seeing colors like a rainbow. I just want another new ride. I just want another new ride. I just want You make me wanna stay. You make me wanna die another day. Lie to you again, just lie with me away. And you make me wanna stay.
so many people. What's up, guys?
Welcome back to the video.
Here's the nerds of all the
If you need somebody, I'm somebody too. If I find somebody, I hope I find you.
Okay, I know you've all been waiting for the grand total cost, and it comes to $264 per person. Yep, this includes housing, gas, food, permits, camping sites, etc. So, $1,055 in total. Let's break it down. The biggest expense were living space costs at $395. Our Airbnbs cost $320, our backpacking permit cost $25, and 2 nights at a campground in Yosemite cost $50 total. The second largest expense was gas, clocking in at $370. This was to be expected, albeit a little high, since sometimes we encounter crazy California gas prices as high as $4.10 a gallon. Finally, groceries cost us $150, and various restaurants cost us about $80 total. Keep in mind that these costs weren't shared exactly evenly between the 4 of us, since some of us ate more than others and some of us are vegan. And that's pretty much it. This is a pretty good exemplification of a low budget trip. $260 for a week of adventuring, hiking, camping, and national parks. Also, if you're interested, my total mileage for this trip was over 65 miles at around 106 kilometers.
Maybe you and I should find somebody new.
That was pretty good.
Maybe you
A little bit.
and I should find somebody new. Maybe you and I should find somebody new.
And we just finished.
If you need
What trail was it?
somebody, I'm somebody too.
Started with a B.
B. We finished this trail. Okay, hold on, let me restart.